We will speak about some of the common data privacy principles, and these principles, if you look at any regulations of the world, most of these principles will be there in that regulation. Then we will talk about the linkage between security and privacy, right? There are a lot of questions. What is data security? What is privacy? What is the interplay between these two? So we will try to answer that. And then we will touch upon some of the key regulations, what are the regulatory requirements that come from those regulations. And then we will speak about the challenges which are faced by an enterprise. I mean, we have taken the illustration of a global travel portal or someone which is running a global e-commerce site, how they will navigate those data privacy challenges.